This is the third generation Apple TV 4K 64 GB version. Let's see what we have got here. So in the box we have this very slick Apple TV 4K. What else we have got here? So we have the remote. Remote is aluminum. Build quality is quite good. So we have got the power adapter. This is the Indian version. Some instruction manual. Yeah, Apple should have provided HDMI cable, but it's okay. So I have ordered this HDMI cable from Amazon. It's quite affordable, and this supports HDMI 2.1, 120 fps in 4K, and 60 fps in 8K. This is from the company called Blue Rigger. So this is already connected to my monitor. Just connect the Apple TV to existing cable. So this is 64 GB version. You'll only get the power port and one HDMI port. If you get 128 GB version, you will get Ethernet port as well. So if you want to connect with Ethernet, you better go with the 128 GB, which is not that expensive compared to this. It's I think around 2000 rupees in India, costlier than the 64 GB, and $20 in US. I think the difference. Connect the power cord. Set it up. Port. I'm gonna pick English. Region India. Continue. Manually. I don't have iPhone, but I do have iPad. I'll just go with iPad. So, so immediately after I opened the iPad, I got this pop-up to set up. Just click setup. So So it's authentic value. So it is setting up everything on your iPad while updating to your Apple 4K TV, which is quite neat, I think. I don't have a TV provider, so I'll skip that part. I'll pick living room. I'm gonna switch this to my TV, but currently I'm setting up in my desktop. I'm gonna select living room, recognize my voice. So by default we have all the Apple applications. I'll go to Play Store. I'll get all the this is actually quite fast, much faster than I was expecting. So get Prime Video as well. If you are in India, if you are worried like whether most of the applications are available, I think main ones like G, Woot, along with the Hotstar, they are available, I guess. Get Netflix as well. So you can control this with your iPad as well. You don't need a remote, but it's quite easy with setting up with remote. So I'll go back. I'll install YouTube as well. It's not showing up in YouTube, but I have to search. So there is Geo TV as well. So you have Sony Live. If you don't have an iPad or iPhone, you can manually set that up as well. It's quite straightforward, but having a iOS device makes it easy. So I did try Redmi box as well as the Amazon Fire Stick, but wasn't happy with the performance. Also, now they are putting a lot of ads on those TV boxes. Even though Apple TV is a bit expensive, I think the trade-off is worth it in my opinion. But I'll do a detailed review after I use it for a month. That's it for the setup. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.